Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amin Tujuria. Today I want to present about present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. The present perfect tense is used to describe action or events that have been completed at some point in the past but are still relevant or connected to the present. What's the difference with simple past tense? Simple past tense used to explain event in the past and ending in the past too, so it has nothing to do with the present. Meanwhile, present perfect tense, even though the incident happened in the past, still has something to do with the present. Purpose of present perfect tense. First, show an experience, indicates a change, show an achievement, indicates an event that has not yet been completed. Show several events at different times. Formula and sentence pattern. The present perfect tense sentence pattern is divided into verbal sentence and nominal sentence. Verbal sentence. In a verbal sentence, after the subject is followed by a verb, so we use the past participle form or verb T for present perfect tense. Apart from that, the present perfect tense is also formed with the auxiliary verbs, which means have or has. For the pattern, first, present perfect tense positive sentence patterns. The pattern is subject plus have or has plus past participle or verb 3. Example, she has worked in the hospital for 6 years. And second, present perfect tense negative sentence patterns. The pattern is subject plus have or has plus not plus past participle or verb 3. Example, she has worked in the hospital. And the last one, present perfect tense interrogative sentence patterns. The pattern is have or has plus subject plus past participle or verb 3 and plus questions mark. Example, she worked in the hospital for 6 years. And then nominal sentence. Nominal sentence are sentences that do not contain verbs, such as nouns, adjective, and adverbs. Just like verbal sentence, for subject, I, you, and other plural subjects, we use have. Meanwhile, for singular subject and singular nouns, we use has. And for the pattern, for the positive sentence, the pattern is subject plus has or have plus been plus object. For the example, Brandon has been recovering from illness. And for negative sentence, the pattern is subject plus has or have plus not plus been plus object. For the example, Brandon has not recovered from illness. And for the interrogative sentence, the pattern is has or have plus subject plus been plus object. For the example, has Brandon recovered from illness? Next, question words in present perfect tense. For the question words where, when, why, and how, the present perfect tense formula is what, where, when, why, how plus have or has plus subject plus past participle or verb 3 plus object. For the example, how long have you studied English? For the question words Who, the present perfect tense formula is who plus have plus past participle or verb 3 plus object. For example, who has studied English for a year. Present perfect tense in passive, like other tense in present perfect tense, we can also change it to passive form. So in the active form, the subject is doing the action. In the passive forms, we focus on what or who is receiving the action. In the passive form of present perfect tense, we use has or have, been plus verb 3. And for the example, for the active form, my brother has written the proposal. And for the passive form, the proposal have been written by my brother. And thank you. This is my presentation about present perfect tense. And thank you for watching.